One more? This will be the last, eh?
Right. There you go. Thank you.
So how old would that tree be now?
This would be about 5 years old.
5 years, okay. And is it nursery grown or grown from the wild?
It's nursery grown.
I see.
Nursery.
Okay. Well, it's my great honour to be back in Fiji. I visited some time ago as Australia's Defence Minister, but this is my first visit as Australia's Foreign Minister. But it's also my first international visit anywhere after our election and my reappointment. So the honour and the opportunity of being able to come to our family, our Vivale Partnership family here in Fiji, is a very important one, and I've had very productive meetings with the Prime Minister, with the Minister for Defence and Foreign Affairs, and also visited Black Rock this morning near Nandi, where of course Australia and Fiji are working to develop a hub facility of peacekeeping, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, which will not only support members of the RFMF, the ADF who are involved in those activities, but also have a real regional focus. So it's a great pleasure to mark my reappointment as Minister for Foreign Affairs with a visit here to Fiji.
In terms of climate change, Fiji's leading role in the Pacific, how supportive will Australia be in this area?
Well, Australia will continue to be very supportive of Fiji and the leading role that under Prime Minister Bainimarama the country and the government has taken. I know his international leadership in the COP and also the holding of the CAP here recently. Too many acronyms, I know, but the holding of the CAP here recently are indicative of the strength of Fiji's leadership. Australia has very, very clearly enunciated that we will meet our agreements under our requirements under the Paris Agreement. We will exceed those, and we will work closely with our friends and neighbours in the Pacific in terms of ensuring that where we are providing development assistance and support, we absolutely incorporate climate resilience, disaster resilience in all of that. In our infrastructure partnerships arrangements around transport, water, energy and others, we will also make sure that we are incorporating climate resilience and disaster resilience into those.